Shubor nagaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Interest of the citizens in the state of Meghalaya. Point number one. Number one, we have decided from the cabinet today that upgradation of Mairang civil subdivision to a full-fledged district is approved. The proposal from political department was fully approved by the cabinet, and I would like to tell you that the inauguration of the new district will be on the 10th November 2021. And the name of the newly created district is Eastern West Khasi Hills. Eastern West Khasi Hills. This is the agenda number one where the cabinet has approved